First up, we have mac and cheese cup. No, I'm just joking. Well, you better put those back. So whatever kind of journey you're on, if you're on a weight loss journey, if you're on a muscle building journey, if you're just trying to maintain, snacking is so important. Snacking can make or break our nutrition goals. So what I'm gonna do, I'm here at Costco, I'm back here at Costco. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you some of my favorite snacking options that you can get here. Maybe try to add some of these into your nutrition. I always recommend you go with whole foods first, and make sure you're tracking everything, but try to add some of these into your nutrition. These are great ways to help you maybe not go reach for something else that you shouldn't be reaching for, that has put you in a situation that you're in right now. So let me show you some of these options here. Let me know if you try some of these, or what are some of your recommendations whenever you go to Costco that I can use as well. Let us all know in the comments, and then let me show you some of these real quick. I have these Power Up Mega Omegas. Man, if you need a quick snack, you're looking for a healthy snack, grab you one of these, but the key is you got to measure this out. Don't be trying to eat this whole bag. It's going to throw you way off. All right, so measure out 1/4 cup, coming in at only 140 calories in 1/4 cup. This will hold you down too. It'll help keep you full. These are great. Mix these with, you can mix it with some carbonated water, help your snacking. But definitely try these out. These things are great. They taste great. I'm not got a sweet tooth as well. So you're getting your healthy fats. You're not gonna have a sweet tooth. All it is just nuts and fruit. Okay, so check these out. Now, if you don't want to carry that big bag around, go look for these right here. These will make it, this is like a cheat code. Okay, you can put these anywhere, keep them, put them in your backpack, keep them anywhere right here. All right, these things are great. Okay, let me show you what we're working with there. You see those? About 170 calories. Okay, so if you're really trying to work on your snacking game, these will help out. All right, so definitely go get you some of these, put some of these in your life, keep them, like I said, in your bag, gym bag, in your purse, snack. Definitely go with something like this. All right, next up, some of my go-to favorites, Chomps beef sticks. All right, man, you got to get you, man, these things are such a cheat code. You can just keep these in your bag. You can keep them in your vehicle, anywhere. This is the regular flavor. They also have the jalapeno. This is one I like to roll. When I can find a jalapeno, I'll get the big bag of jalapeno. One stick is going to get you 10 grams of protein. It is so easy. You can mix these with string cheese if you want. Have the meat stick and string cheese. You can mix these with a protein shake. Don't mix it in it with the protein shake. Unless you want to do it, get down like that's all right. But mix these, have this in a protein shake. That can be a quick lunch for you. If you need just an afternoon snack, I mean, I have these all the time with some carbonated water. I recommend you go with like an A&W root beer. That'll definitely help out. But hey, I always recommend you get some Chomps. 100 calories, 10 grams of protein. You cannot beat it. It is such a quick snack, and it'll hold you off to your next meal. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to find options that'll hold us off to the next meal. These are only snacks, okay? These are only options, all right? Now, when I come to Costco, I make sure I find these pumpkin seeds, okay? You got to get some of these in your life. Now, make sure you measure them out. I talk about these pumpkin seeds all the time, okay? This is a quick and easy way to get some protein, but make sure you measure it out. I literally take 1/4 cup, the little measuring cup, and I dip it in the bag and I eat it out of that cup. So to basically hold myself accountable, all right? Because, man, I'm trying to tell you, that you will eat half this bag quick. These are little bitty seeds. You'll eat half the bag, then you'll be wondering, what did I just do? Why am I not hitting my nutrition goals, right? That could be why, because you're not holding yourself accountable. You got to hold yourself accountable. You have to measure out everything. I'm trying to tell you. So one serving, so 180 calories, 8 grams of protein in one serving. You can put these on salads if you want to. I just eat them straight. I don't even put, but you can put them on all kinds of stuff if you want to. You can mix them into like pasta and stuff like that in order to just throw in some more protein. Easy way to get your protein. They taste great. All right, so if you know about these, if you're at Costco, you got to check these out. You can also get the smaller bags at like Kroger and H-E-B and Walmart. But if you're at Costco, might as well get the big bag for cheaper now, right? So these are really good. Like I said, hold yourself accountable. Use a measuring cup. Dip that joker in there. Eat it out of that measuring cup. Because if not, man, you're going to mess around and try to eat this whole bag. And you're going to be wondering what just happened, okay? So definitely do that. You can also get you 1/4 cup of these and have a carbonated water and there'll be root beer, whatever your favorite soda is. Just try to watch the calories, okay? So check these out, right? One of my favorite protein drinks, of course, is Fairlife. 30 grams of protein, you cannot beat it. Costco is going to hold you down. You're going to get you a big old pack of these, 30 grams of protein right there. These things taste amazing, all right? That's what you need to come grab right there, okay? Get you a case of these. These things will hold you down. When you're trying to hit your protein goals and maybe a sweet tooth is kicking in and you don't want to grab something you should be grabbing, that's when you go grab these, okay? It only has 2 grams of sugar, 30 grams of protein. You cannot beat it. Chocolate tastes amazing, but you definitely need to go look for these right here, all right? So 30 grams of protein right there. They make it so simple, so quick and easy. Boom, all right? So look for these. Or if you don't want to get down with the Fairlife, Okios is holding you down right here. 30 grams of protein. right there. All right, so this is a vanilla flavor. You can go vanilla if you don't want to go with the chocolate on the Fairlife. Go with these right here. 1 gram of sugar, 5 grams of fiber, and one of these, okay? And you're getting your 30 grams of protein. You cannot beat it. It's like a cheat code. I'm trying to tell you, this is an easy way to hit your protein goals. If that's something that you're struggling with, this is an easy way to hit your protein goals. To add it in, you can mix this. This can be your breakfast. One of these with some cottage cheese and have you almost 45 grams of protein right there. You can't beat that. That's for breakfast, and that's easy, okay? You can eat that and head out the house, and you got everything you need right there, okay? You're getting all your protein in. Now, one other area I know people struggle with is getting water each day. And one thing I found, there's a lot of different protein waters out there. So might as well, if you're gonna get your water, might as well try to get some protein in it also, okay? ISO Pure coming in to help you out. Look at that, 15 grams of protein and water. Man, let me tell you something. What you do is you take one of these and you mix it with some frozen berries, have it nice and cold, chilled. You get 15 grams of protein, plus you're getting your fiber from the berries, plus you're getting your vitamins and minerals from here, and it just tastes amazing. I'm trying to tell you, you mix these together right here, have one of these a day, it's really gonna hold you down, okay? So ISO Pure, look for these. These, look at that right there, bam. It's just mixed berry protein water. Man, boy, that sounds good right there, huh? Take you one of these, add the frozen berries to it, have you 1 serving of frozen berries, so you're getting more fiber in there, and it tastes amazing. Use the frozen berries as your ice cube. 15 grams of protein, sip on that throughout the day. Trying to tell you, it's a cheat code, man. It's gonna taste so good, all right? Another one of my favorite go-to options that you've gotta look for when you're at Costco, I use it on everything. Go look for the big, gigantic thing of honey, okay? This thing is a cheat code right here. I put it on everything. I put it on my yogurts. If you watch my videos, you see I put it on yogurts. I put it on cereal. I put it in my chia seeds at nighttime. I put it on bagels. I put it on toast. I put it on everything. I'll just eat it off the spoon, right? So honey is so good. Put it on your pancakes. I mean, you know, skip the syrup, go with some honey. It's a little bit better option, but man, go look at Costco. Costco has the big one, all right? So I like to get the big one at Costco because I use so much honey. If you need to knock out a sweet tooth, let me tell you something. You add a little bit of honey, put it on some rice cakes, okay? Put on some rice cakes, cheat code. I'm trying to tell you, it tastes really good, okay? So definitely go check out the honey here at Costco. I'm gonna grab me one because, man, you cannot go wrong with this, all right? Another one I get from Costco, anytime they have it in stock, I use this all the time, Power Fuel right here. Go look for this, all right? Look, it's right here. See that? Boom. That's what you need to go with, okay? 2 tablespoons is gonna get you 180 calories. If you put this on, if you're looking for some healthy fats, this is the way to go. This is how I get my healthy fats as well too. It's so easy. You just measure out 1 to 2 tablespoons and put it on, you know, mixed with your 4 fruits jelly, which is up here a little bit further. I'm gonna show you that 4 fruits jelly in a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna want you to mix this with that 4 fruits jelly right there. And man, it's gonna taste good. Let me go show you this jelly. This is one to get. There it is. I told you it was close. Look at that. See that? This is the one you want to get right here. 4 fruits jelly. All right. Now, when you go to Kroger, you go to H-E-B, you can find the smaller ones. Man, if you're at Costco, look for the big one because you're going to use this. Now, make sure you measure this out, okay? I'm trying to tell you, do not go and just start dumping this all over your bagels, all over your bread, all over, you know, anything like that because you will eat way too much. This stuff is so good. This will knock out a sweet tooth. Put it on your rice cakes. Put it on any kind of bread, bagel, tortilla wrap. And I'm trying to tell you, if you mix these two together, peanut butter and jelly, man, it's just, I don't know how else to say, you got to go try this for yourself, okay? So when you're at Costco, look for this if you're looking for some healthy fats, okay? If you're not, put that away. I'm telling you, go get you some of this. You can buy this big old jar. I guarantee you're not gonna go home and say you don't like it. I can almost guarantee that, okay? It is great. I use this all the time. The kids love it, but make sure you measure this stuff out, okay? Just the 4 fruits, all right? Got to get that 4 fruits now, come on. These are only snack options. I recommend you go with whole foods first. You go with, you know, try to get your protein from your chicken, your beef, your eggs, your yogurt, your cottage cheese, you know, your tuna, stuff like that. That's what you should be getting most of your protein from. However, these are just ways to, whenever it's snack time, you know, I got a question about like, what are some good snacks I can add into my routine? Well, try these options out. These will help hold you down until your next meal. That's all they are. They're just a way to hold you down until your next meal, and hopefully that'll help you out. Let me know some of your go-to snacks that you use, especially here at Costco, so I can take a look at them, so I can try them out. If I've tried them, I'll let you know I've tried them. If not, you know, I'll go check them out. And hopefully it'll help somebody else out in the comments as well whenever they come shopping at Costco, because everybody loves Costco, you know. But hopefully these options help you out. Let me know if they do. Let me know if you need me to go shopping for something else. And these are snacks that can really help you stay on your health and nutrition goals, okay? Your health and your fitness goals. You just got to stay ready. So if we can stay ready with these snacks now, then you don't have to worry about grabbing something you shouldn't be grabbing, right? That's what'll get you in the position that you're in right now, right? So now you got to go look for other options, okay? And I'll talk to you next time. Let's go.